In 1998, this private jet was built for a billionaire who traveled the world in luxury. For years, it carried VIP passengers across continents and was considered a symbol of success. But in 2012, a major mechanical failure changed everything. The repairs were so expensive that the owner decided to abandon the aircraft. In 2013, the jet was moved to a remote tropical property and left behind. As the years passed, the jungle slowly took over. Vines covered the wings, rust spread across the fuselage. The once luxurious cabin fell into ruin. By 2025, most people had forgotten the aircraft even existed. But then, a team of designers discovered it. Instead of seeing a broken plane, they saw an opportunity. Their goal was simple: transform this forgotten aircraft into one of the most incredible luxury mansions ever imagined. In early 2025, restoration crews finally arrived at the forgotten aircraft after years of abandonment.
Watch out for that
The first
branch.
task was clearing the dense jungle that had
Clear
swallowed
the
the
left side
aircraft
now.
for more than a decade.
Move the excavator back.
As the vegetation disappeared, the true condition of the jet was revealed for the first time in years.
All right,
Tons
load
of
that section
debris,
into the dumpster.
damaged materials, and ruined interior components were removed
Moving
from the
waste
aircraft.
material now. Clear the path.
Engineers carefully inspected every section to determine whether the structure could
The
still be
visual
saved.
inspection says otherwise. Look at the stress fractures here.
Restoration crews spent weeks removing rust that had slowly spread across the fuselage.
We need
The
to clear
damaged
that
engines
section
were
now.
beyond repair and had to be completely removed.
Crane, lift on my mark. Steady.
Skilled
All right,
welders
easy now.
reinforced
Lower it
weakened
slowly.
sections and replaced
Watch the
badly
left
damaged
side,
metal
clear the
panels.
strut. Hold it steady, we're almost there. Lower it slowly.
Modern glass
Watch
panels
the
were
left
installed,
side.
marking the beginning of the
Almost there,
aircraft's
hold it
transformation into a luxury residence.
Locking clamps now.
A massive foundation was constructed around the aircraft to support its new future.
Watch the
Brand
gap
new
on your
engines
side.
were
Bring it
installed,
down
not
slow.
for flight, but to preserve the aircraft's iconic
We
appearance.
got it stabilized. Start the weld.
Keep the
Fresh
pressure
paint
steady on
finally
the
covered
sprayers.
years of rust and weather damage.
We need more blue paint on section 3.
Hold it
Steel
steady.
reinforcements were added to
Bring it
support
down
the
20
future
feet.
mansion structure.
Watch the left beam.
Hold the
Large
beam
glass
steady.
walls transformed the aircraft into a modern architectural masterpiece.
Lower it slowly. Watch the left side.
One of the wings was redesigned into a luxury viewing terrace overlooking the rainforest.
Coming down now. Watch your hands.
Construction crews expanded the foundation into large outdoor living spaces.
Check the
Work
depth
began
the
on a
pool
breathtaking
excavation. We need
infinity
another
pool
meter.
beside the aircraft.
All right, I'm signaling the crane operator now. Watch the beams coming over.
All right.
The
Start
pool
pour.
structure
Bring
slowly
it
took
steady.
shape as workers poured and
Watch
shaped the
forms on the
concrete.
south side. Vibrate that section now.
Inside the aircraft, the old cabin was completely stripped out.
Hold
A
that
new
stud
interior
steady.
framework was installed,
I'm
creating
drilling it
space
in
for
now.
luxury rooms and living areas.
Careful
With
with,
the
that
structure
edge. Watch your
secured,
fingers.
work began on creating the mansion's main living space.
Almost got it lined up. Hold it steady right there.
Premium marble flooring was installed throughout the aircraft's future luxury interior. New ceilings and hidden lighting systems transformed the once damaged cabin.
Hold it
A
right
floating
there.
staircase
All right,
became the
secure that
centerpiece
riser.
of the mansion's interior design.
Coming up with the next tread. Clear the way.
Pass me the
Outside,
level.
the infinity
Coming
pool
down.
received its
Watch your
final
head.
luxury finishes.
Is this section ready for inspection?
Workers completed the
section
terrace
looks
flooring
perfect.
built directly from the
Nice,
aircraft
clean
wing.
lines. Yeah, the client is gonna love this finish.
Premium stone and glass cladding gave the exterior a modern appearance.
Bring that
Tropical
panel down
landscaping was
slowly.
added to blend the mansion into the surrounding rainforest.
Watch the skid steer. Clear the area. Bring
The
it
main
left.
entrance was completed,
hold it steady.
creating a dramatic first impression for future visitors.
Lowering now.
Lower
For the first
panel
time,
slowly.
the aircraft no longer looked abandoned.
the alignment
The
on the left
transformation
side.
was becoming reality.
Hold it steady right there.
Crystal clear water finally filled the infinity pool after months of construction. Luxury outdoor furniture was carefully arranged around the pool area.
Hold it right
An
there.
outdoor entertainment space was added for
Coming
relaxing
down
and hosting
easy. Watch
guests.
your hands. Set it in place. We need
Workers
more filter
completed a
over here
beautiful
now.
fire pit lounge overlooking
Tell
the
the excavator
rainforest.
to dump the load by the pathway.
All right, clearing the area now.
A rooftop lounge was added, offering panoramic views above the jungle canopy.
Make sure
Water
that
features
connection
and
is
tropical gardens brought
This
life to the
fixture is
entire
secure.
estate.
Powering it up now.
Architectural lighting was
Looks
installed
good against
throughout the
evening
property.
sky.
After
Finish
years of
polishing the
abandonment
fuselage,
and
we're
months
almost
of
done here.
restoration, the aircraft's
Okay,
exterior
I'm starting on the
transformation
pool
was
deck now.
finally complete.
Hold it steady right
Attention
there.
now
All right,
shifted to
secure the top
creating an
left.
extraordinary interior experience.
Hitting it now. Is that level?
Massive marble
Almost. Push your
surfaces were
side up a
installed
little.
throughout the future living room.
Okay, hold it steady. Make sure that
Luxury
aligns
ceiling
with the main
designs
runner.
added elegance
Okay,
and
got
scale
it.
to the space.
All
A
right,
grand
bring it up
chandelier
slowly
became
now.
the focal point of the main living
Watch the
area.
cables on your end. Looks good. Keep it coming up evenly.
According
The
to
floating
plans,
staircase
this
was
section
completed
goes
and
right
connected multiple levels of the mansion.
here. We need the next panel up on the landing.
All right,
Floor to
lift it
ceiling
slowly.
glass walls opened the home to breathtaking rainforest views.
Holding steady on this side. Yeah. Looks good. Keep it coming up. All right,
Designer
lift on
furniture
three.
arrived as the
One,
mansion began to feel like a
2,
home.
3. Got it. Bring it forward slowly. Okay, slide
Every
it left.
piece was carefully positioned
Little
to
more.
maximize comfort and luxury.
Is that straight? Yeah. Looks good right there.
Final decorative details completed the living room. The aircraft's main living space was finally revealed, marking a major milestone in the transformation. A private cinema was added, bringing the luxury experience indoors. Premium theater seating transformed the room into a true home cinema.
Is that
Work
level
began
yet?
on the mansion's
Almost.
master
Push it to the
bedroom
right.
suite.
All right, secure it. Hold that panel steady.
Marble walls replaced the aircraft's aging interior panels.
I need the level over here.
Make sure that frame is secure before we put the glass in.
Premium hardwood
I'm tightening
flooring
it
added
now.
warmth and comfort to the space.
Be careful with that panel.
Does this
A
shelving
luxury
unit line up
walk-in
with the
closet
mark?
was carefully crafted for
Almost.
the
Push
suite.
it slightly to the left. I'll grab the next marble panel. This
The
fixture
spa
goes right
bathroom
here.
started
Double-check
taking
the
shape
measurement.
with premium fixtures.
Looks good, centered perfectly. Pass me the screws.
Final finishes transformed the bathroom into a private retreat.
How did the glass look from this angle? Looks good. We are almost finished up here. All right,
Designer
easy
furniture
now.
arrived to
Lowering it
complete the
down.
master bedroom.
Hold it steady. Looks good there.
The luxury suite was finally ready for its first reveal.
All right,
Construction
move the
began
excavator
on an
back
indoor
slowly
swimming
now.
pool unlike anything found on a private jet.
Watch the left side, clear the forms.
The pool structure slowly came to life through careful craftsmanship. A private fitness center was added for everyday wellness. An executive office was built for work with breathtaking views.
Is the wiring
The aircraft
harness secure
cockpit
on
began
your
its
end?
most dramatic transformation.
Just finished the connection. Ready for power check.
All right, gently
What was
now.
once a
Lift your
cockpit
end.
became a luxury observation
Which way?
lounge.
Push it slightly to the left. Right there.
Is it
Craftsmen
level?
built a
Almost.
beautiful private library
Tighten
from the
that
ground
top
up.
screw.
Perfect.
All right,
A
lift it
grand
up.
dining room
A
was
little higher
created
on the
for
left.
unforgettable gatherings.
Hold it there. Is that straight? Yeah. Looks good from here. Secure it.
The completed indoor pool became one of the mansion's highlights. The executive office was finished with luxury details throughout. The private library offered a peaceful place to relax and reflect. The dining room combined elegance, comfort, and incredible views. A grand corridor connected every part of the mansion. The cockpit lounge became one of the home's most unique spaces. The upper sky lounge offered panoramic rainforest views. An indoor garden brought nature into the heart of the mansion. The completed upper level revealed the full scale of the project. For the first time, the entire luxury interior was unveiled. At sunset, the mansion glowed above the rainforest canopy. The infinity pool reflected the colors of the evening sky. The aircraft wing terrace offered a truly unforgettable view. The rooftop lounge became the perfect place to watch the sunset. From above, the scale of the transformation became clear. As daylight faded, the mansion entered a new chapter. Thousands of lights brought the property to life after dark. The illuminated pool created a breathtaking nighttime reflection. Every detail of the completed mansion could finally be appreciated. What began as a forgotten aircraft became an extraordinary dream home,